The Dimock Dairy works with local dairy farms like this to produce their delicious cheeses. These cows enjoy being out in pastures with freedom to move about, as well as being milked twice a day. The cows are gently cared for and fed a nutritional diet at each milking, something the cows look forward to while moving calmly through the milk parlor. Automatic milkers are then placed on the cows, and the milking process begins. The fresh milk then pours into this stainless steel tank and is quickly cooled to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure the highest quality milk is provided for processing into delicious Dimock dairy cheese. The milk is then transferred to a refrigerated holding tank at the Dimock Dairy Processing Plant. This is where the art begins. The cheesemakers pump fresh cold milk to the balance tank and through the heat exchanger where legal pasteurization is achieved. The milk is then cooled prior to entering the vat so the cheese culture can be added and begin working, converting lactose to lactic acid. A coagulant is then added to the full vat of milk. This coagulant, called rennet, will coagulate the milk proteins, trapping milk fat and minerals. The coagulated milk is then cut into small cubes with stainless steel wire harps. This allows the jello-like set to separate into curds and whey. The curds and whey are then stirred and cooked to the desired temperature. The whey is then drained and the curds are retained in the vat. The cheese curds are then washed and cooled to the desired temperature. The whey, as it continues to be expelled from the curd, is frequently tested until the desired pH and acidity is reached. The curds are then salted to prevent further acid production. This salt also adds flavor and aids in preservation. Once the salt is mixed into the curds, additional flavorings may be added to create Dimock dairy flavored cheeses. Cheese forms are then filled so the cheese curds can be pressed, allowing the curds to knit together. After pressing overnight, the cheese is vacuum sealed and transferred to the new Dimock dairy facility where the cheese is aged at refrigeration temperatures. Once aged, the cheese is cut into various consumer sizes. The cheese is weighed, bagged, vacuum sealed, and labeled for identification. The finished cheese products are returned to the cooler to be made available to our customers. So if you're traveling south of Mitchell near Dimock on Highway 37, stop in and visit the Dimock Cheese store. We have a large selection of fresh-cut prepackaged cheeses, as well as wine and gifts. But you can also find Dimock dairy cheeses and cheese spreads throughout South Dakota and in the 5 surrounding states. Or just visit us online at dimockdairy.com.